I got some time to explain the true brain of a rhyme writer. Some take the stance of a gunfighter. Others inject intellect or self-respect, or simply kicking verbs for a tight paycheck. What they neglect is creative aspects and control. The sounds and words originate up in the soul. My thoughts cross whack MCs and wickedness. They seem to go hand in hand in the mess that spawned the dawn of the fake MC. It's really funny to me how brothers front like they deadly. See, Jabby's with me, so Rosh G is no fool. Respect to the original school that broke the rules. I'm laying all these real ass facts upon the wax. Mass communication, mine is faking the jacks. So relax, or the gods will make you crumble and fold. Keeping you on the run as we start from square one. Square one. Square one. What I want, cause now it's no time to front. It's I and I on a hunt just to smoke up the funk. With no fear in this industry, we're in here. So surprise I appear, I play the back or the rear. I pushed and shoved to get in, and I've seen every sin. And it's been a long time considering, but no bitter man, African, Rastafarian, non-American, checking every man. In my zone because the eyes all alone in this universe. I seen the worst, now I'm coming in first. A brother's thirst got him eager to murk. In full effect, cause I'm staying alert. Bless the hurt at each and every concert. Taught well to be the very next expert. Never the spare one. I'm stepping up to shoot a fair one. Setting it off from square one. Square one. Square one.
In 95, enough kids could catch the vapors. Rob O spends his time putting words to paper. Still so I maintains a fly flow. But every time I plan to see